Hey, so you've probably been hearing this word, competitive analysis. Actually, it's not that big. Very, very simple thing. Some people call it competitive analysis, some people call it market audit, some people call it competitive audit. You know all those buzzwords. It's not that deep. It's not a big word like that. So basically, it is you just doing research about competitors, or you doing research about people that have designed products similar to your product. Payment. So why is it important? It's important because why is it important in your research? It's important because that way you know and you get to see lapses that your competitors have overlooked. Like, let me just run you through how the competitive analysis is done. So first thing is that you list out your competitors. And before you list out your competitors, you probably have an idea of what problem your product is going to solve. And then the next thing is now do a research on those competitors, know how they are solving the problems, their experience solving the problems, like the reviews of users when they use the product. And how do you even check for reviews? So I think it's very easy. You just go to the Play Store, like if they have an app or something, you just go to Play Store or you go to the App Store, for example. You just check the reviews and you see how they've been doing. And then you could also look for other sources. Just Google the product and see how I've been using the product basically. And the next thing is now for you to now go to the product personally. Or if you can't, then you have a website like Mobbing or Good UX. You will check out like the flows and everything. And then you just jot down your experience and what you think problem of those products. So then after you've done that, you now like compile the list or your research. Then you now like start judging or making a list of the pros and cons of using those products. Yeah, and after you document them, I think that would inform you of what to design for and what not to design for, like the features you should design for and how that to solve the problems of your users. Yeah, that's competitive analysis for you. Don't forget to like, share, and comment if you have any additional tips. Thank you very much.